The OnePlus 8T is launching on the 14th of October, and while we still have some days left for the launch, OnePlus has already revealed a lot about the device. For example, it has the Snapdragon 865 chipset, 65-watt fast charging support, and a 120Hz flat AMOLED panel. Well, now OnePlus revealed the design of the phone in its recent teaser video. This video shows the phone in the aquamarine green color, and unlike the OnePlus 8 that has a matte glass finish on the back, the OnePlus 8T has a glossy glass back. The company said that they did this to bring something new to the consumers. Anyways, the video showed only the back of the phone, and it shows that there is a quad camera setup this time, but instead of placing the cameras in the middle as on the OnePlus 8, there is now a rectangular camera module on the top left. This camera design is similar to almost every other phone that launched this year. We can see that apart from the 4 cameras, there are 2 flash modules, so that is interesting. Now, while OnePlus didn't reveal the full design in its teaser video, the phone is now listed on JD.com, which is a Chinese e-commerce platform. This listing reveals the full design, and as we can see, there is a flat display on the front with a hole punch cutout on the top left. Again, this is different from the design of the OnePlus 8 because that phone has a curved screen. So that is all about the design of the OnePlus 8T. Finally, talking about the specifications that we already know, there is a 120Hz flat AMOLED panel, Snapdragon 865, a 48MP quad camera setup, a 4500 mAh battery, 65-watt fast charging, and Oxygen OS 11. There is no information on the pricing yet, but we will get to know that soon because the launch is not very far away now. So that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.